Hey, little buddy. It's okay. Don't move, don't move. Oh, don't cry. It's okay, little buddy. You pick him up, baby?
Try to.
I gotta figure out what to feed him until he grow big, and then we can release him back.
There's some milk. His eyes don't look like it's open.
His eyes aren't even open. Oh, look how cute he looks. Let's go get him some milk. And put him in a box.
Take a picture.
We put him in a box. Don't take him. Take him with us. Oh, I know you told. Oh, look at the bird, y'all. He's looking for the squirrel. This is very unexpected. A very unexpected turn for our day. Look at me. Yeah. We have a squirrel. We don't know what to do with him, but we did research. We're not supposed to give him anything, so we're not going to give him anything. We'll just keep him in the box and in the towel and put a heating pad until we can get him to where he needs to go. Yes, this is very interesting. Gotta record this. This is a joyful sight.
What's a joyful sight?
You looking at flowers. More flowers. We're preparing for our family to come in town so we can do some gardening with them.
Get a good harvest this year.
So we've made it home from Home Depot. My husband is putting holes in the cardboard box just so we can keep him in there. And when he starts moving around, he's going right back out. But he's been very calm and quiet. Of course, we reached out to Aware Wildlife, and they sent over a text and gave us some information on how to take care of him and where we can possibly take him. So we'll look into some more options on tomorrow. But for tonight, we're going to keep him in the garage, in the box, and in the towel. And I saw one source saying use Pedialyte if you might need some minerals or anything like that. I don't know if I would use Pedialyte because of all the different ingredients. So if we do have to give him some type of hydration, I'm probably going to do just some stinging nettle and water, like a tea form. We already have a syringe and everything. But yeah, this is very new. This is amazing. So the story is what happened. We're heading out the door to go to Home Depot. I have to get some succulent soil mix for my aloe vera plants because they're dying. So we're going to Home Depot to get that and more flowers. And my husband went outside before me, and I heard him and our neighbor out there talking while I'm putting on my shoes. And so when I go outside, my husband, he's just standing at the end of the driveway. I'm like, baby, what you doing? Are you ready? And he turned to me and he's like, I'm trying to see if we should save this baby squirrel or leave it. And I go in the street and I'm like, a baby squirrel? And I was like, what happened? He said the neighbor told him that the bird that you guys saw had it and he dropped it. And so the neighbor heard the loud thud and he looked and was like, what in the world? And so my husband went outside. He ended up telling my husband. And when I went outside, I found out. And, we just went from there. I went to go look at it. And I said, yeah, let's go ahead and help the baby squirrel out. He can't even open his eyes. So, yeah, we're gonna keep him in the garage for now. And he's been sleeping. So we're just gonna let him do what he's gonna do. I will keep you guys updated and talk to y'all tomorrow.